Hey there! Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to share with you one of my favorite cake recipes. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this recipe is simple, fun, and absolutely delicious. So, let's get started. Alright, first things first, let's gather all our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Now, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's move on to the next step. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to mix them together. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Next, add the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake dense. Pour the batter into a greased and floured cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The cake has been in the oven for about 30 minutes, and the kitchen is filled with that irresistible aroma. Carefully, we open the oven door to reveal a perfectly golden brown cake. After letting the cake cool for a bit, it's time to add the final touches. We gently spread a layer of creamy frosting on top, making sure to cover every inch. Finally, we sprinkle some colorful decorations to give it that extra festive look. And there you have it, a delicious homemade cake that's both beautiful and tasty. I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. Don't forget to share your creations and let me know how it turned out. Until next time, happy baking!